Follow me this way to the gift shop.
Jevil, what is wrong with you?
Oh no, usual.
So, how you been since,
Since I tried to kill you, God, that was so embarrassing. I was just a wreck back then, but I am so much better now. So what am I doing here?
I need to talk to the diamond.
No kidding. We never called, we never liked.
Yeah, I'm kind of going through something right now. I've been glowing pink and swelling up.
Oh, it's probably trouble with the physical form. I know just you should too. Come on.
Huh?